Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and that's also where the first update comes about. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's exactly what played out here. I mean, you could put this right into a textbook. So right there, you can see the price went down below it. So at that point, you'd expect the area to act as resistance, and then that's exactly what happened here several times late morning. And then once again, last 30 minutes, a nice surge of volume. And once again, though, the price got rejected right up there at that level. So I'm not saying this area right around the 825 mark can never be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling at that area, and that going forward, if there is going to be any sort of attempt to back to the $9 mark and be above, then that it all starts in with that $8.25 mark and whether or not the price can break up through it. Now, in the event the price can get the break through it, then at that point, next key level to watch very closely would be right up there at 885. So those are definitely the two main levels. But again, before we put too much focus on 885, just realize that the price first needs to prove itself in the near term. And again, quote unquote, prove itself, I'm defining as $8.25. As far as levels of support are concerned, main level to continue to watch is that purple line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, currently valued at, we'll call it $7.45. So even if the price doesn't, I'm not saying it's got to break above $8.25 on Thursday or anything, but I mean, if the price pulls back a little bit, really nothing from a technical point of view that is to be concerned about, as long as the price remains up above that purple line there. Now, if the price crashes down through it, at that point, sure, things start to change around a little bit, but as things stand right now, a good little consolidation, so we'll see how the next couple of days play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.